Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this piano tutorial, we'll be learning the song Our God is Awesome in the key of E major. And I like this song because it's a really simple song. It only has 4 chords. So in this lesson, I'll be teaching you guys some substitutions and some passing chords that you can use not only in this song, but in many other songs that include similar progressions or similar chords, all right? So this song, the basic chords are E major, B major, C sharp minor, then A major, and that repeats throughout the whole song, all right? But we are starting it off a little bit different. Since we know that we are going to start on the 1, which is E major, I'm gonna play a sus chord on my left hand, and then my right hand I'll be playing sort of a grace note type trill or whatever the exact name is. It sounds like this. All right, so I'm basically playing around with the melody of the song, and on top of that I'm using a sus chord on the 5. So, and what I'm doing on my right hand is A flat, F sharp, and then I use G to come back to F sharp, so like that. And then I land on E, so C sharp and B. And then it lands with a certain note, so right here with F sharp I land on the sus chord to create that beginning. And then I start on my first chord. For E major, we'll be playing this voicing. And something that you're going to notice is that we will be maintaining that melody. So we basically playing this song with a melodic line. So E major, right here what we do is basically play on that passing chord lane. So we are using the secondary dominant of B. So B is our destination chord, and our dominant for B, or the 5 of B, is F sharp. So we do this. This is the first voicing for F sharp that we use. So we do F sharp in this voicing, then we switch up the voicing again for F sharp. Now we're doing a 13 for F sharp, and then we finally land on B. So and as you can see, we're maintaining that melody. That's why we are using 2 different voicings for F sharp, only to try to maintain that melody as my last note. He can move mountains. You see? So now we are going to do a 7-3-6 progression, because our next chord is technically a 6 chord. So from B, we're supposed to land on a C sharp minor, but we can always include different chords in between these 2 chords. So he can move mountains. Then we do a 7 like this, so a half diminished. Then a 3. Then we invert that 3, or basically play a different voicing for that same 3, like this. Then we land on the 6, and for the 6 we're doing a minor 9 voicing. So 5, 7, 3, 6. Then here the next chord will be technically a 4, right? So A major, but let's again include different chords in between these main chords. So 6. What I like to do is a 5 or a 1 over 5, and for the 1 chord I included the dominant to give it that tension that wants to release on the 4, right? So it's basically something like this, right? But voiced differently. So, right? 6, 1/5. Then we land on the 4. And for the 4, there's a melodic line that it's part of the original song, and it sounds like this. Right? What we are doing is basically doing a 4, 3, 2. So 4, 3, 2. And you can find the melody just by looking at the screen. So really easy. And then we start again from the beginning. Alright, so I'll play through the whole song sort of improvised, and that way if I play something new, you can pause the video and learn different chords and keep expanding your musical vocabulary. Alright, so